to your seats and we will begin in our reception time. So we are done in the silent part and now let us enjoy the rest of the time. So now, may I invite everyone to please clear. So yun po ako sa mga kids. Ayan. So yun po ako sa mga kids. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the secondary sponsor. Sige po, maaari na po kayo bumalik sa inyong mga upuan. Ayan, sige po. Okay, now before anything else, I would like to acknowledge Okay, sige po, maaari na po bang bumalik sa kanilang mga upuan? So this time, let us move on to dances. Okay, so it is said that our parents, our first teacher, who patiently raising us from childhood to adulthood, they have been our source of comfort, support, and inspiration. So now, to give us a tribute to them, may I request the mother, Mrs. Shani Aligato, to please stand up. Honey. And of course, sir, Greg, for mother and son dance. Yeah, mom number 2. Only of course, without the father of the bride, this celebration will not be possible. So ladies and gentlemen, may I call on Mr. Mariano Sevilla, and of course, Ma'am Ana, please stand up. Let's have a father and daughter dance.
Before
po. Nandito po yung ating pin. Once again, we will conduct a prosperity dance. Okay, so we have a pin. Lapit lang po kayo kay Ma'am Dali. Okay, so now may I request the best man and the maid of honor. May nagsasabi na po. Sige po, may mga makaway pa. Standby po, yung maid of honor po, the best man, tapit po kayo sa Okay, sige po. Yung mga bagong 1,000 peso bill, huwag na lang po siguro gamitan ng pin. Opo. Okay, sige po, huwag po gamitan ng pin yung mga bagong 1,000 peso bill. Opo, iabot na lang po, kaya isabit na lang po. even not married. Okay, soon to be married. Okay, so may I invite you guys to please.
Thank you very much for your generosity. I hadn't actually realised this was a thing, so this will really go a long way to finishing the last payments for the wedding, to be honest. So thank you very much from myself and Anna. It really means a lot. Thank you so much.
Okay, so once again, may I invite all the married couple or even partner. Okay, sige po, punta po kayo dito sa gitna. Lahat po. O, mga boys, galaw-galaw. Kunin niyo po yung kamay ng inyong mga asawa o inyong mga partner. Sige po, tayo na po, boys. Lahat po ng mga ninong. Tayo po kayo. Ayan. Lahat po ng mga nandito po yung kanilang partner. Sige po, punta po kayo sa harap. Punta kayo sa gitna. Okay. Ay, may hina yung mga boys dito. May hina. Okay. Sino dito yung mga nandito yung asawa nila? Taas niyo yung kamay nyo, huwag niyong ikahiya ang inyong mga asawa. Tumayo ka na, sir. Tayo na, tayo na. Tayo na, sir. Tayo na. Lahat po, may premyo to, may premyo. May premyo to, guys. Okay, tayo po lahat ng mga married couple or even partner. Sige po, punta po kayo sa gitna. Okay? Punta po muna kayo sa gitna. Punta po sa gitna. Ayan. Okay, wala na po ba? Wala na po ba? Ito na po ba? Yung mga married couple? Or kahit ng boyfriend, girlfriend? Sige. Wala po. Sige, punta po kayo dito sa gitna, madam and sir. Okay. And so we will conducting a sweet dance. Sweet dance lang naman. Okay, sige po, lapitan niyo po yung inyong mga asawa, inyong mga partner.
Life has begun from easy. You are the one right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on,
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come now, baby. Might have took the long way.
Ayan, kunin mo yung kamay. Nahihiya kasi madam eh.
They
Ayun.
said
Go.
they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on.
we're still together, still going strong.
Wala kang palakpakan dyan.
To you within my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. Can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true.
Okay, sige po. Lalapitan ko po ang bawat isang pares. Okay, dito po tayo mag-i-start. Ano pong pangalan niyo, madam? Silvestre. Okay. Okay, sige po. Kayo po ay mag-asawa. Magka-partner lang. Okay, sige po. Okay, so magka-partner lang po kayo dito, no? Okay. So this time, bigyan niyo lang kami ng tip. Kahit hindi po kayo mag-asawa, bigyan niyo lang po kami ng tip kung ano ba yung sikreto sa mahabang pagsasama. In English. In Chinese. Diyan lang, sige po. I-share niyo po kay Mama Ana.
Yung pagbibigayan. Sa karanasan ko sa pagiging may pamilya,
pinaka-nabis na ginagawa sa mag-asawa, yung pagkakaintindihan, pagbibigayan ng bawat isa. Kung ano ang problema, nilulutas ng mag-asawa. Huwag magpapadala sa init ng ulo. Yan lang. Tapos yung pagsasama na talagang masaya. Salamat.
I loved you only in my
Kung kayo nag-aaway, bago matulog butasin ang problema. Ang problema, pinag-usapan ang mabuti. Hindi pinadaan sa pusis, kung sa pagkagabong, kung pagsasakitan, kung kayo na. Dapat ang bawat isa sa inyo, magpasensya. Kaya, yun ang may papayo ko sa iyo, pagbibigayan ng katulawan, lalo na pagmamahalan. Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Nilda. And now, let us move on to the parents of the bride. Ayan, sige po. So, how long have been you in relationship? Gaano na po kayo katagal ng mag-asawa? 29 years. 29 years. Palakpakan naman po natin yung parents mo ng ating bride. Napakatagal at hindi biro ang 29 years na. Okay, sige po, Mr. Again. Mr. Mariano, sige po, bigyan niyo po kami ng tip sa loob ng 29 years na yun. Sige po, i-share mo po kay Mama Ana.
Ito yung tip na sikreto ng pagmamahalan. Tiwala sa isa't isa at respeto. Lahat na mag-asawa, hindi karamihan namin itong sumara. Yan. Pag iyo nalagpasan nyo, kahit ang manabigat ang problema, at kayo dalawa magtiwala sa isa't isa, magaling mabibigyan ng solusyon. Yan lang.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma. So, 29 years dito. Standby po kayo dyan. Sir, yan po. Tayo po muna kayo. Okay, sige po. Ay, kaya na po. Ito ang magandang gwapong partner, no? Proud na proud si Mama. Okay, Mama, ano po pangalan mo, Ma'am? Rodeline. Ayun. Si Sir po ay? Albert. Parang nakikita pa rin yung spark sa kanilang mga mata, no? Nandun pa rin yung love. Pero tanongin natin, ilang taon na po kayong mag-asawa? 25 years. 25 years? Palakpakan naman po natin. Napakatagal na pero yung spark, nakikita pa rin sa kanilang mga mata. Ayan. So, in just one word lang po ano po yung tip? One word lang po. Ano po yung tip na ibibigay niyo po sa ating wala na maaway pa si Mami. Huwag mo kaawain. One word lang.
One word lang ha. Best tip in the world. Listen to your wife. Wife is always the boss. Okay.
Ayun, naging sentence na siya. Ayan, so 25 years po. Sige po, balik na po kayo sa inyong pwesto. Okay, dito po kayo sa harap. Ayan, nandito rin sila. Okay, ano pangalan niyo, sir? Andy po. Annie. Okay, Ma'am Annie and Sir Romeo. Ilang taon na po kayong magkarelasyon? 26 years na po silang magkarelasyon. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ayan, hindi biro. Minsan, 1-2 taon lang naghihiwalay na, pero itong mga ito, alam ko na kung bakit kayo ang pinili bilang ninang ng ating newlywed couple. Dahil nakikita nila sa inyo na kayo ay good example as husband and wife. Okay, so we have 26 years. Sila po ay 25. Asa na po sila? yung parents ng ating couple. So, ang nanalo at makakatanggap ng 500 pesos, walang iba, kundi yung parents ng ating bride. Ayan. Asa na po sila? Asa na po? Lumabas. Ay! Tayo ka po dati, tayo. Ayan. Dahil 29 years talaga. Oo. Nagkatiisan sila ng 23 years. Ayan, dahil dyan tanggapin niyo ang tumataginting na 500 pesos! Ngayon, White hair. Sino mo? Ayan si Manny. Ayan, meron na may kasama pang-itim. Sige, lahat po ng mga winners, punta po kayo dito sa harap. Punta po kayo dito. Sige, doon po, lapit po kayo. Sige po, doon po muna kayo sa harap. Ayan. Iyaabot po sa inyo yung inyong prize. Ikaw po. Ako. Okay. Sige. Advance po yung ako, malapit na lang po dito. Hawakan mo naman ang unang bubuksan. Okay, hawak lang po muna. Okay. Okay, sige po. Wait lang. Standby muna yung baka hindi ko ma-memorize yan. Dito ka po. Dito ka ate. Dito ka po ate. Okay, so ang iyong napanalunan po ay pangkabukayan package or birthday package, brother. Birthday package. Ipakita mo nga sa amin ano bang nilalaman ng iyong birthday package. Okay, meron kang spaghetti or pasta. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin. Ay, masaya ka ba ate? Masayang masaya. Okay. Balik ka po doon para magpa-picture mo mamaya. Ate Jenny, dili ka. Okay. Sige, so, ang natanggap mo ay hair treatment. Okay, hair treatment package. Okay, pakita mo ano bang nilalaman yan. Meron ka. Ano yan? Sunset! Halino po. Ayan. Okay, balik po. Okay, next package. Okay, meron tayong overnight package natin. Dito ka, Ted. Dito ka, Ted. Okay, so sino yung gusto mo kasama every time na nag-overnight ka? Ay, sarili mo. O sige, ayan. Ano kaya ang nilalaman niya? Paki-open mo. So, you receive overnight package. Ayan, ayaw naman ko-open. Sige, anuhin mo na. Pwersahin mo na yan. Ayaw. O, sige, wala. Okay, pakita mo ano ba nilalaman yan. Meron ka. Asukal. Nescafe. Oh, yung mga mahilig magkape. Tapos magugulat. Hindi makatulog. Oo, sige po. Okay, ito na ate. Meron kang Dior. Alam mo. Okay, pakita mo ano bang nilalaman ng iyong package. Meron kang Dior. Stands for deodorant. Palakpakan naman dyan. Ayan. Sige po, madam. Okay, whitening package. Pakita mo sa amin ano bang nilalaman ng whitening package. Ayan, meron ka. Ayan na, labas mo madam. Okay. Ariel at Sondra.
Silanjiva, help in long life.
Everyone, let us all stand and raise our glasses and join me in toasting for creative and here's to good health, happiness, prosperity, the great and
Cheers! Pasuyin po ako sa wine. Pwede pa po humingi. Palagyan ko lang ng konti for picture taking na naman. Sige po. Alright, so a big clap for Mr. and Mrs. Brown. Palakpakan naman dyan na nagkasama, sinigawan! Okay, thank you so much po. And this time, malapit na po tayo matapos. Ayan. And now let us move on to well wishers. Okay, so may I request the couple to please sit down. Sit down po muna kayo. Okay, so this time, ito yung pagkakataon na kayo ay makapagbibigay ng inyong mensahe para sa ating newlywed couple. Okay, syempre, let's begin with hulihin na natin yung parents kasi kanina pa sila nauna. So let's begin with Mrs. Rodlin Julianda. Come on. Sige po. Pero po ako isang kanya.
Hello, Ate Mar and Pray. The newlywed Mr. and Mrs. Brown, congratulations. Ate Mar, kilala mo naman ako, hindi na ako iba sa'yo. Ako na yung pinaka-big sister mo. Ako ang pinakamasaya para sa inyong dalawa. Wish you both lots of love, laughter, and adventures as you start the new chapter of life. Marriage isn't always perfect. There will be a little fights and still misunderstanding. But always remember it's you two against the problem, not each other. Just keep choosing each other every day. But always remember, nandito lang kami ni Ninong Albert, no, hindi na Kuya Albert, Ninong Albert. Every time na uwi kang Pilipinas, Craig, you're always open in our house. Thank you. Cheers! Cheers to forever. Congratulations.
Thank you so much po. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Rodney Julianda. And of course, to Mrs. Margarita Berden. Sana po si ayun, nandito po ba? Lumabas? Okay, sige po, pabalikan natin. Okay, so Mrs. Sunny Isuga. Ay,
sana maging masaya pagsasama nyo. Biyayaan kayo ng maraming anak. Dahil yun ang pundasyon ng isang buong pamilya. Sana yun lang. Good luck. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much po, Mr. Romeo Sambilia. Okay, so tinatawagan ko rin po si Miss Annabel Sambilia. Nandito po ba? Ma'am Annabel? Okay, wala. Si Sir Nico. Nico Sambilia. Ma'am Annabel. Ayan na. Ikaw na. Rumarang pa dapat kasi na-late. Charot. Sige po. Short message po. Ma'am Annabel. Hello.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, ate. Congrats.
Kakaiyak yun. Charot. Seryoso? Charot. Sige, sige. Mahaba kasi. Kaya niklian mo lang. Okay, sige. Wala ko. Charot. Okay. Andyan din po. Andyan na po ba? Si Sir Nico. Nico Sabilia. Margarita. Andyan na po si Ma'am Margarita. Okay, wala po. Ayan. Kuha na lang po tayo from Ninong. From Ninong na lang po. Okay, so may I call on Mr. Felicimo Andes. Sige po, tayo sir. Kahit short message lang po. Saan po ba? Ikaw yun sir. Sige tayo lang po. Kahit dyan na lang po. Okay lang. Ayan, thank you so much po. At ngayon naman po, Ma'am Ana, may mga voice message akong ipaparinig sa'yo. Wait lang po Ay, pakunik pala ako. Sorry po. Okay, so churchmate in Qatar. Si Brother Genesis.
Hello, Sister Hannah and Brother Craig. Congratulations on your wedding day. Wishing you both happiness and a lifetime of joy together. God bless.
Okay, thank you so much. Ayan, kahit nandun siya, pinasalamatan ko siya. Ayan si Ma'am. Si Ate Carol. Ayan po si Ate Carol.
Hey there, Anna and Craig. I just want to say congratulations to both of you. Wishing you guys all the best. Always remember, we are so happy for you guys. We are here for you and I'm your ate forever. We love you. Congratulations.
Brother Pao. Ito na po, galing naman kay Brother Pao.
Hi, Brother Craig and Mrs. Anna. Congratulations on your wedding. I pray that you will be a loving couple and be blessed by the Lord. So always remember to always keep God in the center of your relationship. And once again, congratulations to both of you. Bye.
Ayan. At di dyan natatapos dahil maraming kasagot.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon, good evening everyone. All the way from Spain.
Qatar. Kala mo wala ako ha? Wala talaga ako dyan, babe. To a wonderful cousin and her lovely husband, congratulations on your wedding day. This is it, babe. Today is the day when you become Mr. and Mrs. The day you both say I do. But wait, before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Lit, the cousin of the bride. Kung sa lahat na nagtataka kung bakit babe ko yung tawagan namin sa isa't isa, pakias na lang po si bride. Although nung una awkward, nagsustain naman siya until now. Ito na po talaga. Anna and I have known each other for a long time now, and throughout the years, she came to mean everything to me. We've been there for each other through some of the hardest times in our lives. Through accidents and breakups, emotional and mental breakdowns, and a whole lot of hangovers. We've shared a lot of tears and a lot of more laughter. And I am so proud of the person that she has become and the life that she has chosen for herself. Especially the man she's chosen to spend the rest of her life with. Craig, I'm giving up a lot today. Anna was the person I was supposed to grow old with, but she chosen the love over the single life with me. You better take care of her and Anna. Babe, you know I'm a little tend towards love and relationship right now. But you guys give me hope that when two people truly love each other, nothing can keep them apart. How lucky you are guys to be so much in love and to be beginning a life full of love and happiness together. I knew from the moment I saw two of you together that you would last forever. Baby, for you are my body, church body, gym body, galaan, gimikan, tagayan, although hindi na natin nagagawa yung tagayan ngayon. And now you have your own body. Bring Craig to the gym. Just kidding. To Craig, thank you for loving my cousin, and to her daughter Hannah. May the God bless you always a good health so you can spend longer time to your family. And may the God bless you guys, more little Anna and Craig. In John 15 verse 12, my command is this: love each other as I have loved you. Again, congratulations both on you, and God bless all. Thank you.
Eto, last na daw po ito. Ayan, galing po sa isang Nina. Ay, dalawa pa. Okay, sige po.
Hi dear, this is Gertie Mendoza, one of your Nina. I'm sorry that I can make it today. And congratulations to the newly couples, and I pray that you have a lifetime of joy and happiness together, and may your marriage feel of love and understanding, and all the best to you both, and God bless. Love you.
Okay, thank you so much po. Ayan, let us move on to Ma'am Henny. Ninang Henny. Last na po ito. Ninang Henny. Ayan, ayaw niya mag-play. Send ko na lang po sa iyo, mga Ana. Ayan, so ayan po yung mga nagbigay ng mensahe para sa ating newlywed couple. Ay, thank you so much po. Okay. So, our event is about to end. last forever. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I invite everyone to please all stand, and of course the couple to please stand up. Tayo po kayo. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, at the count of 3, everybody show congratulations. Okay po ba yun? Kaya pa po ba? Kaya pa po ba? Kaya. Okay, once again, at the count of 3, everybody show congratulations. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Brown. Sama, congratulations! God bless you both. And of course, to all of you, God bless din po sa inyong lahat. And before anything else, I would like to give the microphone to our newlywed for their final message. Sige po.
Thank you. Always that gives me great pleasure to take away one of the Sevilla clan into the Browns, but I hope that you'll take me into your hearts and become an honorary Sevilla. So losing one, gaining one. Thank you very much for coming out. It's been an interesting day. I've never had money pinned to me while I'm dancing, so that was definitely an experience. But yeah, thank you for coming to share our day. Share our day. Obviously, means quite a lot since the distance involved. I've not been able to have any of my friends or family here, except for my best man, Colin Fascio here, who has done an absolutely fantastic job. So thank you very much for stepping into the role of the best man. And I'm sure my good wife has something to add. So, bottom of my heart, thank you very much for coming, and it's really been a lovely day. Thank you very much.
Alam pa naman po natin si Mr. Greg. Okay, sige po Ma'am Ana.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat sa mga nakapunta dito. Although malayo ang pinagalingan ng iba, pero tinry pa rin nila na pumunta dito. Gusto ko man i-invite ang lahat, pero alam niyo naman, hindi lahat may invite. Pero sobrang thankful pa rin ako kasi yung mga tao nandito ngayon, sila yung mga naging malaking bahagi ng buhay ko noon at naging malaking bahagi pa rin ng buhay ko ngayon. Kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat. And now, my partner, my husband, now, I'm so happy talaga. Salamat po. Yeah, and pupunta pa rin kami sa Bicol para mamiti namin yung ibang family and nakapag-spend din po ng time kasama nila bago po siya bumalik ng Scotland. And ayun po, thank you po sa inyo lahat and God bless po sa inyo.
Okay, palapakan naman po natin. Ayan. Okay, so in behalf of the couple, thank you so much to all of you for spending your time to witness the wedding of this couple. Palapakan niyo po yung inyong mga sarili. Ayan, thank you so much. God bless us all. Ingat po kayo lahat and to God be all the glory. Thank you. God bless po. Ingat po and party na.
Yes, let's eat. Yeah.
sexy and I know